Excel macros, all macros in one place. uh, please give, if you please give one like. Don't skip this video. The complete video you can watch, and you will get idea of macros, Excel macros. It is very useful. Whenever free time, please watch this video. Please share your friends and family members this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi friends, today I am explaining the VBA macro for max value. Here column A details, here nearly, if you see, 1,000 rows are there, 1,000 rows are there, and in this 1,000 rows we need to find out in highest number. If it is difficult to find out, okay, then we need to give that VBA macro with max. Okay, I have created that VBA macro here. Alt F11, and if you see this, I have created VBA macro, and I'm clicking the run button. It is showing 110. Just you have to find out it is 110 number is there or not. Okay, this is a 110 number. It is the highest number. Okay, Control V. Okay, now I will close this. Now we need to try to uh, write a VBA program, and we will see that highest number. Okay, I am taking that fresh Excel. Here, go to File, New. Okay, I'm taking the new Excel. Just have this random numbers. I will copy previous code Excel. Okay, just I closed on that one. Now we need to go with Alt F11. Okay, Alt F11. Here we need to create a one module. Insert module, and here we need to write the code. Okay, here what we need to write the code. Here sub max, open bracket and close bracket. Just in that, here we need to write a program. Okay, we need to, here two variables are there, dim ws as worksheet. Okay, next dim max is the double, max as double. Okay, these two variables we need to write, and here one uh, small code we need to write here. Set ws is equal to, here, this workbook dot sheet, this workbook dot sheets, you can open bracket, that's name of the tab here, sheet 1. Okay, here what we have written that set ws is this workbook dot sheet 1. Okay, now we need to calculate the max function. We need to calculate the max number. Then we will go with here, max is equal to same workbook. Here we need to write the function. Okay, worksheet function, dot max. Here we need to calculate the range. We need to open the brass, here ws, which one, ws is a worksheet, right? Ws dot range, and our again open braces. Here A1, here A1 to A1000. The 1000 rows are there, right? We need to 1000 rows. We need to write. Okay, and again another bracket you can give. Okay, now here first set it ws this workbook dot sheets sheet a tab name we need to give, and max is equal to worksheet function dot max as ws range a a1 here a1 dot a1000. Next I am giving as a message box. Okay, message box we need to return anything letter f, and here max comma VB information. That's it. Then we need to run the program. Here it is calculating 110. Now just we will try with the control L. Here I am changing the number. Here 110 is coming, right, highest number. Here I will give as 135. Okay, we will see if it is working or not. Okay, now just go to here. First we need to save this Excel. Okay, whenever we need to save this Excel, compulsory whenever we need to save this, right? 1 minute. One second. It is asking, for example, documents. Here save as type is Excel macros. Okay, here I am giving as max. Okay, I'm changing macros max, just max 1 I will give. Same name is there, so max 1 to saved. Okay, now we will run the code one more time. 135, I gave that 135, right? 135 is coming. Okay, every time we know no need to go to this Excel VBA macro. Then you have to go here insert. Here shapes are there, right? Whatever shape we need to take that one. If it is this one, right, just you have to draw this one, and edit text. Edit text here, just I gave as run. Okay, if you increase the font, just increase it. And now assign macro. Here max is there, just you have to give okay. Then you will click on this one, 135 is coming. Okay, now we are calculating the total count value. Here how do we calculate that one total count value? Here some numbers are there here. Okay, now I am going with the alt F11. It is a VBA code. Here same insert module, you have to create the module. Here sub count, open braces and close braces. Okay, here we need to give the uh, two values. Here dim, first letter is capital, dim ws as ws as worksheet. It is a worksheet. and dim here count, we are calculating count, right? Okay, count as long. Okay, here these two values we need to take that one. Okay, now same, set ws is equal to this workbook, this workbook dot sheets unders, that open bracket and close bracket. Sorry, here we need to give name of the tab sheet 1. Now this one set ws. Now count is equal to, here one formula is there, count workbook, this one worksheet function dot count, here open braces, here we need to calculate as a range, ws dot range. How many rows are there, that one, a1 to a1 to a thousand rows, close, and another one close. Here we need to calculate as a message box is equal to any letter, and ampersand, here count comma VBA information, VB information, not VBA, VB information, that's it. Here if you see sub and sub, we got that one, sub and end sub. Now dim ws as worksheet, dim count as long, set ws, this workbook sheet dot sheets count is equal to worksheet function dot count ws range a1 dot a1000. Okay, now I am running this code, count 999 rows. Okay, if you see 1001 is there, upper one no need to calculate, here 999 rows, correct. Now I will enter few more, um, here 1001 is there, right? I will enter few, I will save this. Okay, I will enter 88, 56, something numbers. Here I am entering these details. Now here I will give as 1010, I will give. Okay, 1010, 1010. Okay, now I will run the query, 1000 rows. Okay, now we'll calculate it, means we'll see row number 2 to shift control down arrow, here 1000 is there. Okay, now every time we no need to go to here alt F11, just you have to go insert shapes, create the shape, and here edit text, you need to give as count. Okay, just increase the font, that's it. Okay, here we need to assign a macro, count, here coming 1000 is coming, 1000 1000 rows are there, just calculating the count. Okay, here 1000 rows are there, we need to calculate the minimum value with the VBA macro. Okay, just we need to write the program, I'm giving the alt F11, we need to go to here insert module, and here sub minimum value. We need to find the minimum value of the 1000 rows. Okay, here two fields we need to add. One, dim as dim ws, dim ws as worksheet, worksheet, dim ws as worksheet. Here dim minimum as double. These two we need to write here, and here set as set ws, sorry, set ws is equal to workbook, this workbook, this workbook, this workbook dot sheets, dot sheets. Here open bracket, here tab name here sheet 1. Okay, just you can copy here, control C, and go to here, same alt F11 screen, sheet 1. Every time you can in bracket you have to quotation we need to give. Next, minimum value. Here min is equal to worksheet function, work, this is a formula, worksheet function dot min, worksheet function dot, here w is missing, worksheet function dot min open bracket. Here we need to give range, ws dot range. Here 1000 rows means range, right? Okay, range, we need to mention that range a1, a1000, or 10 10 1010, close quotation and a close bracket, two brackets are there. Okay, these two are important to write the code. Okay, now message box, message box, we need to write any letter, and ampersand min vb information, that's it, our code is ready. Okay, if you see this one, sub and sub, dim ws as worksheet, dim minimum as w, double, set ws this workbook dot sheet 1 tab name, minimum worksheet function, minimum ws range a1 to a1010, and message box is minimum vb information. Okay, now I will run this program. Okay, 1 is the lowest number, we need to check that one is there or not. Control shift L, here, yes, here one number is there. Okay, this is the lowest number, it is correct, calculating correct. Okay, I am replacing one, we need to give two, just checking the macro if it is working fine or not. Okay, now every time give control s. Now we need to add the shape first. Go to insert, shape, here edit text, min. Okay, now increase the font, min, minimum value. Okay, as assign a macro, and that's it. Friends, uh, today I am discussing class 2 for VBA macro information for dupe values. Okay, Here column A have some values and column B also have same values are there. If it is same values, we need to remove uh, with the help of VBA code. Okay, I will write the code. First we need to save this document file, save as. Here macros place I am saving, and here Excel VBA macro. Every time we need to save here. Here we need to write, here we need to write the do value, do macro. Okay, now it is saved. Now alt F11, I am writing the code here, insert module. Okay, here I am giving this sub do value. Here two things we need to give. First, every time we need to give dim ws as worksheet. Okay, and another one is set ws. Set ws is equal to active sheet. Active sheet, we can give the same, there is no spaces. And here dim rng, here dim rng is equal to range. We need to give dim rng as range. And here set range of the values only duplicate. Okay, set rng is equal to ws dot range, range. Here I am giving the values a1 to a15. Okay, here every time we need to give quotation a1 to a15, close the quotation, comma, and again open the quotation, b1 to b15, quotation, and close the bracket. Okay, here we need to give the range, set the range. Next we have a do formula. Here rng dot remove duplicates, remove duplicates, columns is equal to 1. Okay, here columns is equal to 1, comma, header is equal to x number. That's it. Now message box, we need to give enter anything. Here I am giving us quotation to values remove. Okay, here that's it, comma, VB information. That's it. Again one more time I will explain on that one. Dim dupe ws as worksheet, and set ws is the active sheet. Okay, dim range range as rng as rang, range ws dot range a1 to a15, b1 to b15. Okay, range dot remove duplicates, column, here we need to give some um, semi, here colon, and header columns, columns, correct. Okay, here A D here correct only. Here we need to give equal to every time. Okay, here column values only, right? Remove duplicates and header, this header value. Okay, message bar do values remove information now. And column B also W values are there. Okay, I am running this uh, VBA code now. Okay, remove the duplicate values, do values are removed. Okay. Yeah, second query is average values. For example, here I am calculating, here set of column A column B rows are there. Here row 18 and 19, these two values average we need to find out. Okay, already I have written the VBA code. If you check this one, here I am giving here sub and end sub average dim ws as worksheet, dim average value is double. Here set a ws, this work dot sheet 1, this is a sheet 1 and set range a18 and a19, we are calculating a18 and a19. Average value is equal to application dot worksheet function dot average range. Here message box the average values calculating. Okay, here these two values average, it is showing in this uh, it is 26 here. It is highlighting here, right? 2 and the count is 2. Okay, and in VBA code also it is calculating same or not, we need to check that one. Okay, I am running the VBA code. Yeah, the average value is 26. Okay, I will add the here shape button also. Go to insert shape, edit text, avg average. Okay, increase the font, just assign a macro. Now run it. Assign a macro, now run it. Okay, now if you are calculating different values, go to pf11 and our VBA code will be open. For example, here 75 and 12 and 13, it is average is 55. We need to check that one. Okay, it is working or not. A12 and A13. Okay, you control S and I am closing this one. These two values I'm validating here. Yeah, 55, it is coming 55. Okay, it is working fine. This is the average function. Okay. Hi friends, here actually three columns are there. Here amount, interest rate and total interest rate get. Okay, here amount, it is a 50,000, 20,000. It the amount is there. Interest rate 2% interest, and how much we will get that interest rate by using VBA macro we will calculate. Okay, here I have opened this uh, virtual basic editor, and here I am going to module. Okay, here I need to write sub, here percentage, here open and close bracket. Okay, here we need to write our code. Here we need to calculate first dim I as integer. Okay, another one, here value A, value B and percentage. These two three things we need to take care. Dim, this one column A is the value A, value A as double, and same thing dim value B as double. Here value a and value b is the, this is a column. Value a is the column and value b is the interest rate, is a another column. Here dim percentage as double. Once these three things have get, now we need to calculate by it is the for loop. Okay, for I is equal to, here start with 2, I is equal to 2 to 2. I have given for example 100, I will give 2 to 100. Okay, here we will initialize our values. Okay, here value a, just copy it value a. Okay, here we need to get that values, value a. Here we need to here value a is there, right? Value a, here cells, here I column, I comma 2, I comma 1, first I comma 1, close bracket, this is a value. Okay, this column a, in which cell, first this column I is the cell, first cell, and value. Okay, here same thing we need to copy here, this one, paste it here, this one column b, this is a column b, cells I comma 2, this is I comma 2 dot value. Okay, now here for I loop, for a for loop I we gave that one. Now if value b, here one formula is there, if value b, here greater than and less than symbol we need to give here. Okay, value b 0, if it is 0 then we need to give here, here we need to give here avoid division by 0. Then here if value b, here there is no spaces. Okay, value b. Now here one formula is there, we need to calculate the percentages, percentage. Okay, percentage, uh, in this program we need to calculate the percentage values. Okay, here percentage is equal to value a into value b divided by 100. Okay, value a here into value b, close bracket. Okay, here value a into value b divided by 100, this is a formula. Okay, if it is value b is 0, then else also we need to give. Okay, so percentage is equal to 0. Okay, if we need to write here percentage, if percentage equal to 0, Then here we need to give one percentage is zero to avoid errors. Just you need to mention it, comment percentage zero to avoid errors. Okay. Here not if percentage zero. Here first for loop is there, then give end if. Okay, next here we need to calculate and display in column C. Column C is the 3. Okay, now cells I comma 3, this is I comma 3. While we are writing the VBA code, just we will see one more time, if any errors are there, just you can rectify and clear it. Okay, now if you see, this is a VBA code. First we have a sub and end sub. In that percentage, dim I as integer, value a, value b, value c, I equal to 2 to 100, I comma 1, I comma 2. If value be greater than 0, greater than less than 0, then percentage, well, this is a formula, which this is a main formula, else percentage is equal to 0, and if this one. Okay, now we will run this code for without and if. Okay, here uh, here for means next I, we need to mention it. For means next I, here percentage, run it. Yeah, if it is a 50,000, 2% interest means it is 1,000 rupees. Interest will be 1,000 rupees. The same way, if it is 20,000, 2 rupees interest means 400, it will come 400. Okay, this percentage calculation, if it is a complex data, then we will write the VBA code and we will get that data. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe uh, Excel A to Z channel and share this video your friends and family members. Thank you so much. Using record macro, we have to fetch the how to get the data by daily activities, uh, how to go to that record option by step I am explaining in this video. Please listen complete video and don't skip this video. First I am going to here, home insert options are there, right? Then again go to this developer option. After that you have to go to here, third one, record macro. Here record macro, I am going to record macro. Here we need to select that, okay. Just you need to type your information for daily activities. You have to see these, generally every day activities we are giving that serial number, and don't cursor in some other position. Just you have to give, write same information. If your daily activities, give name, here email id and phone number. If your daily activity, this one details are there, right? Just you have to select it. Not only this, everyday activities, whatever Excel we are using on that one, this one it is very useful. Okay, if you select this cells and click on the whatever you like the color, just I am clicking this green color. Okay, pretty much good. Okay, now I click on the blue. Now I already clicked the macro button, record macro. Then I am stopping this.
record button. Okay. Now we need to see that how it will get the data. Here another tab I am giving on that one. Okay. Here serial number, name, email ID, phone number, it is there. Okay. Another tab we are checking on that one. Then we need to give alt F11. Yeah, if it is alt F11, we have a this is a virtual basic editor, and we have a code is there in this module one. Okay, in this code, it is already based on record macro. It is already data is fetching all these cells and color, everything it is updated here. Okay, just I am removing this all the data. Okay, and color also I will remove. I am giving color normal white color. I will keep on the and font also I will keep normal font. Okay, now I am running this macro. I am running this macro. Just I am clicking the play button run, and here macro one run. Okay, if you see this one, automatically get all the data: serial number, name, email ID, phone number, everyday activity. If it is everyday activity is there, then you have to record macro and fetch all the details. If you click on this one, just run the macro, it will get all the data. Okay. Uh, okay. Now every time we need to give the serial go to alt F11, it is a very problem. Why? Because if you are go to developer option and macros here edit, here we need to go, but it is a very difficult to go to that option, and we need to select a particular and run button. Now we have to do one interesting here. We need to give as insert. Go to here insert button, and if you see these shapes, if you click on this any shape, and you have to give this here edit text. We need to write anything for related our daily work. Just we are giving the daily work, and we are checking every day, right? Okay? Daily work. This is better. Yeah. Now button is created, but we need to assign a macro, assign a visual basic editor. That code we need to assign it to this button. Okay, then you have to right click on that one. You have a assigning a macro. Here macro one is there. Just you have to click on this one. If you remove all these things, just you click on this one, right? We will get that all the data: serial number, name, email ID, phone number by clicking this one. But here one problem is there. If you go to that second tab, then again we need to give here we need to create a insert button. It is a time taking. Okay, in this case we need to do one another interesting method. If you click on this customize the ribbon. Okay, here customize the ribbon. Here popular commands are there. Okay, here if you click on this macros, if you click on this here new tab or all commands, one second here all tabs macros, new group I'm adding in this. Just I'm yeah, here it is a new group is adding. If you select this one, it will work. Yeah, now it is coming this there. Okay, what we have to do now is customize the ribbon and customize the ribbon, and here choose the commands from. Here I am selecting as the macros. Okay, here already new group selected, run. Okay, if you want edit this one, just you have to give daily job. You need to select uh, any any icon. I am giving a play button. Okay, then it will be easy. Yeah, if you see, if you go to another tab, whatever daily activities, just you have to click on this one and you will get all the data in there. Whatever we have given in this code for sheet 1, serial number, name, email id, phone number, then every time you no need to go to this alt developer option, macros, editor, these steps. Okay. And another method also, if you are clicking this one, it will be only this tab details only it will come, but another tab it will again go to insert, and we have to set that one. But here if you click on this one, you'll get this uh, this one, customized ribbon we have added on that one, then it will be easy every time. If you click on this one, just then you will get any tab, anything it will do our save our time.
Friends, today we are discussing about that hiding and unhiding function with the help of VBA macro and another custom view option. These two methods I will explain you. Let's start our video, and we need to go to here. We have a hide one, hide two, hide three. Five sheets are there here. Okay, if I am hiding these sheets, it will be easy. We have to press the control button and just click on that hide button, then it will be easy. But if it is a unhide, again it will be very difficult. One by one it will be unhide, it will take more time. Okay, now then we have a first method. We go to view and custom view, it will be show. Here 1 to 5 all the sheets are opened, then it will be easy. One click we have all the tabs will be open. If it is a multiple 100 or 50 to 100 tabs are there, then it will take more time. By using custom view it will be very easy, our job is easy. Okay, now if we have any of the sheets tables are there, then content tables are there, then unable to unhide the hide or unhide, it will be very difficult. So that we will go to second method. I will explain you the second method.
Now we will open the Alt F11 Visual Basic Editor. Alt F11. Okay. Now here insert, here view, and go to here immediate window. In this immediate window, we need to write uh, one formula or one function key. Here for for each for each sheet in worksheets worksheets sh dot visible is equal to, if it is this is sentence is true, then if you click on enter, this compiler error is coming for without next. Then you have to give quotation, sorry, uh, we need to give here semicolon, and after that we need to close the function here next sh. Okay, This is the sentence we need to give here for each SH in the worksheet. This is the colon and sh dot visible is equal to, if it is a visible, it's true. Our next sheet, we go to next sheet. Now we need to write a VBA code. Actually here we need to give here, if you select here, if you select here, this every time we need to select that personal macro workbook. Okay, if it is a personal macro workbook, then you have to go here, uh, VBA code. Okay, here already I opened the personal personal module 2 here is there. Now whatever we have written in this here, if you see sub unhide underscore all, here dim, a dim function, it is a variable as sh as a worksheet. This one we can do, it is double time is coming, and for each whatever copy, whatever we have written here immediate function, just we can paste here. Okay, for each sh in worksheet colon s start visible is true, next sh ends up.
Now we will, now I am hiding the few tabs here. Okay. Now we have a one easy shortcut option. I am giving more commands, and here macros, this one our macro, and I am selecting this shape. Okay, if you see this one, if you click on this our macro, just to click on this one, all the hide 1 to hide tab, hide 5, all the sheets are coming. Okay.
Yeah, please let me know which one is the your favorite and put in comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video. Give thumbs up and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you so much. Hi friends. Today we are discussing on the filter option in VBA macro. Uh, how to we get that, if a column A so many values are there, if it is so many names are there, then how to get the filter option by using the VBA macro. Okay, now we have a column A, nearly it is 30, 35 names are there. Okay, then we will start with our code. We will write the code and start with the code. Just I am pressing Alt F11. Here we are writing the code. Okay, here sub filter by value. Okay, now it is coming right. Filter by value. Dim WS as worksheet. Now set WS equal to active sheet. Here range we need to calculate first, and after that we have to filter by option. Okay, now range ws dot range, range of this one column A1. Okay, column A1. Every time we need to give the inverted is columns. Okay, every time we need to give here, we need to give one function auto filter. Here is there auto filter auto filter field field auto filter. Here we need to give one. Okay. If it is auto filter, we need to give one. We need to give criteria here. CRI criteria. Here CRI. I need to give particular name here. Copy the Apple or otherwise I will use Nazir. Okay. Nazir I will use. Okay. Now step into debug. So that one. Now I will run this. Yeah, here it is not coming. We need to give CRI PER. It is correct only. Enter. Okay. Here CRI model 3. This time product testing. Two small changes happen. CRI TERIA. Okay. Nazir is coming. Okay. This one it is working fine. Okay. Now we need to try with another name also. Okay. Just you can run it. Yes, it's working. Yeah, every time it will be filtered by it will not. Just we have to give one shapes here. This one to give as edit text filter. Just we will increase the font center boards. We are assigning a macro module 3. Now I am running. It is coming. Now do one thing. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and like, share, comment. Thank you so much. Hi friends, today we are discussing about that another VBA macro with a lot of data. If it is see this row number 2 to row number 33. Here this is the most important macro to get that multiple multiply with the each value. If you see this one, multiply with 2, if each value, we will get that one easy one formula, one VBA code. We are going to that VBA code directly, and I will explain clearly in that screen. Okay, I am going to Alt F11. Yeah, if you see this VBA code here, every time everyone understood that sub and end sub. Sub means we have to initialize the which one we are categorized, if it is add or multiply. In this scenario we are going to do that multiply, multiply function. Okay, everyone is asking on that one dim. What is a dim? Dim is the one type of variable for VBA code. For example, C language, we have C colon, and Java, it is different variables are there. Okay, now dim is for VBA virtual basic editor. We are using this code as dim first. Okay, these two, as every VBA code will be is there. Sub multiply, this one dim WS as worksheet, dim last row as long. This it is, if you see this 33 row, it is mentioned as dim last row as long. Now set WS. This one is this workbook dot sheet. Which sheet? Sheet 2. This is sheet 2. It is indicates last row. This one is the most important for every VBA macro. We have to calculate it up to last row. Last row is equal to WS dot cells, WS dot rows dot count. Uh, which column? This one, column A, and Excel up dot row. It is saying that one last row, and WS dot cells, WS dot count row count. It is if it is a row count 32, 33, it is mentioning on the count number. Which column? Column A, and Excel up dot row. Okay, this is the last row functionality. Last row, up to calculate last row. Okay, now we have to, this is looping function, and another one is another most important, for loop. How do we do that for loop in VBA code? Okay, dim I as long. I is long. I is equal to here, which row we need to start. Okay, I is equal to 2 to last row. Last row, which is 33. Okay, 33. Now, yeah, perform an action on each row. It is saying that on each row we have to perform WS dot cells. Here WS dot cells I comma 2, second row dot value. This is the value. Second is equal to WS dot cells I comma 1. It is a column I comma 1 dot value into 2 into 2. Okay, this one, and next I. It is next another one, I is equal to 3. I is equal to 4. It is calculating on that one. Okay, now everyone understood, and it is easy now. Okay, now WS, now I will run the VBA code. If you see 49 into 98, it is calculating each row of the number, and 32 into 264, it is calculating. Okay, yeah, this is another.
Please like, share, comment, and put the in comment box what videos we need to create it for VBA, and if any suggestions also put the comment, so we will prepare the good videos, and please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Hi friends, today we are discussing about a copy paste, a bulk copy paste. How do we do that in VBA macro? Okay, here column A, here up to row number, there's so many are there. If you see 1,000, yeah, 1,000 roses are there. Okay, here 1,000 roses are there. We have to copy paste, it will take more time. I need to copy in another way, and you have to select that copy paste. If you select and copy, it is also, it will there, but by using VBA code bulk data, we are copy paste in another column. Okay, then we will go here and write the VBA code. So here 1,000 rows are there. Okay, now 1,000 rows different names are there. We need to copy into some other, here D column. Okay, now we have to write the VBA code, giving alt F11, saved something. Second, okay, I will save this file macros. This one is copy paste, copy, bulk copy paste, paste. Okay, here save the data. We are we need to save in Excel macro enabled. We need to do this way. Now we'll go with alt F11. Here we have to create the module. Now we need to write the program sub copy. Sub is coming. Now range, open bracket, A1 colon A 1,000. I am giving 1,000, 1,001 is there. One second, I'll check. 1,001. Okay, we need to give 1,001. Selecting, I am giving A, general A I am giving, and same thing we are copy pasted range A1 dot A 1,000 dot copy. Okay, now we need to do paste in D column. Okay, here D 1 to D 1000, paste special, paste special. Here if it is failing, application dot cut copy mode is equal to false. That's it. We'll run it. Let's see. Here we have debug running the VBA code. Here column A first name, we have 1000 rows are there. Okay, same data bulk copy paste, it will be appear here. Yeah, this is the code. Just I will step by step run it in debug. Step into debug, step into, it is copied, column A complete details copied, and paste special, it is copied here in D column. Here I need to do that insert shapes. Just I have inserted that here copy. I have assigned a macro. Send a macro. Okay, just I am deleting this one. Again I am copying. Yes. Please like, share, comment, and put the comments what videos we need to create. If any suggestions also, we will, based on suggestions we will prepare the VBA videos. Thank you so much.